Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster in Cooking Kingdom. First, make sure your kitchen is fully upgraded to handle advanced dishes. You'll need to be at least level 25 to unlock the lobster recipe, so check your progress. Always consult your in-game recipe book for the exact items needed before you start. This ensures you have everything ready for a smooth cooking experience. Next, let's gather your ingredients. You can catch fresh lobster from the ocean fishing spot, or purchase it directly from the in-game market if you prefer. Don't forget to collect high-quality butter and a selection of aromatic herbs from your farm. Make sure your cooking station has sufficient fuel, like wood or gas, to complete the entire process without interruption. Now it's time to cook. Head to your cooking station and place the fresh lobster into the large pot. Carefully add the butter and your chosen herbs, following the precise measurements given in your recipe book. Pay close attention to the cooking timer, which typically runs for about 3 minutes. Removing it too early or too late will affect the dish's quality. Finally, serve your delicious, perfectly cooked lobster to your waiting customers. A high-quality lobster dish will earn you a significant amount of coins and valuable experience points, helping you level up faster. Remember, experimenting with different ingredient combinations can sometimes unlock special bonuses or even new recipes. Enjoy the rewards of your culinary efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.